Hi, you're welcome to Sweb Studios. Now, I want to quickly talk about Revit and the interior aspect of Revit. Now, a lot of people make use of Revit to do their 2D and 3D, but the 3D aspect they know how to do very well is the exterior aspect. Now, so many of them don't know that with Revit you can do a perfect interior design. You can create kitchen cabinets. I'm not talking about the one you bring in from outside that somebody else has already designed. I'm talking about you going to a site where you want to work, then take sketch, then that same sketch which you designed, which is going to be the as built, you want to show it to your client. You produce it in 3D exactly how it is, like the cabinet demarcation, as exactly where you want a glass to be, that's where it will be. Where you want your microwave to be, that is where it will be. Not just that is where it will be. I'm talking about it coming with the exact dimension in terms of how you look at it first, everything fitting in. Then when you take the dimension of the elevation also, it's going to look exactly like that. So that's how beautiful Revit can be. So a lot of people don't know about this. With Revit, you can get the exact design of POP for interior, how you want it to look like. Whatever wallpaper you want to put, the exact wallpaper, you can take the picture of it somewhere, then how you put it into the room to make it look like the way you want it, even if it is 3D wall panel. Okay, you can design TV console the exact way you want it to be, plan your POP for the room, then bring in sofa. Then if you don't want to bring in sofa, you can model down, but for sofa you always get the exact kind of sofa you need. Now, the exact kind of floor tiles you want to make use of, you can always get it in Revit. So these are the things I'm going to be teaching you in this training. Now, we can do the training online with the aid of Zoom. Now, there's no limit with where you can interact from. In those days, you need to start traveling from one point to the other, but now with the aid of Zoom, you can be anywhere. You can be in Sokoto, you can be in the heart of Maiduguri, or you can be in London, US, Canada, or wherever, and you can connect with anybody with the aid of Zoom. Now, I don't know why some people are scared to embrace technology. If you're not on Zoom today, then you are missing a lot. Okay, it saves you money. Some people think maybe it costs you a lot. Now, with less than 1 gig, which is not up to 300 naira here in Nigeria, you can connect to Zoom for 2 to 3 hours. You still have enough MB left. Now, we can do the training in the morning or evening, or if you are this kind of person that is always very busy, you don't have time for training, you can get my training video which I develop for distance students. The videos are as good as one-on-one training. It is step-by-step guide. One of the advantages is that it is cheap and you can teach yourself at your own time. Okay, you don't need to bother. It's not just video you buy, you watch, like you buy, you watch, you practice. When you're tired for the day, you can spend just 30 minutes to 1 hour, you drop it. Any other day you come jump on it. Now, the beautiful thing again about this video is that once you get my training video, automatically you are registered into my training class. As you practice with my training video and you encounter any difficulty, all you need to do is just to beckon on me on my WhatsApp. Now, if I'm not available, definitely whenever I come online, I'll see it, I'll respond to you. Now, if it is something that WhatsApp cannot resolve, I usually create special video just to attend to student questions. Some of those questions, if you see the videos I drop on YouTube, those are the videos. Those videos are, they are born out of questions that students are asking. So that's why I create all those one short video. Okay, friends, what are you waiting for? Just hit me up. Let's see in class.